No, one more time. Come on. Real talk. Come on. That was hilarious what she just did. You may never see it, but I swear to God, it was amazing.
It was.
I said, who was that just walked through here?
And I said, Jesus. I'll tell y'all, I gotta turn this camera around. Y'all will have to meet the new movement members. I promise you, your life will never be the same.
Whirly, the Lord is sure to come. Whirly.
Y'all living too circular for me.
Circular.
Y'all too circular.
Circular.
And Miss Dana, this is your first video of New Movement.
Oh, Dana. Of course.
This is our Atlanta singer.
Yes.
I'm glad she's not as industry as Everett.
I did that, and I hope you see this. Mr. Everett E. Hall with your industry self.
His new name is changed.
But bro, you ministered today. You ministered today.
Don't do that.
I promise y'all, New Movement is off the chain.
And there's Barry. Hey, Barry. Hey, Barry.
Why do people want me to go back to my gangster ways? I ain't trying to do that.
Just be gangster for Jesus.
They ain't ready for it. They ain't ready.
Look, are you really going to put this on YouTube?
Can you ask that again? Hey, y'all, Dana has a question. What was your question?
No. I said, Stu, are you really going to put this on YouTube?
I said get beat with it. I said get beat with it. What we reading?
All right.
I started this read thing. I really want to be educated on this read. Watch out! Don't walk up on me like that. Don't walk up. I mean, she keep trying me. I'm trying to tell you. Because I ain't got my shoes, ain't nothing.
You better be glad the oil's still on. The oil's still on.
Just tell her in a second it's gonna be on her.
So it's like
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Right.
Y'all make me sick. Give me that so it's like a cut.
And good night.
For real.